Welcome to Radical Transparency. My name is Ted Pappas. And in this video series, we'll talk about why having a Salesforce backup that is both accessible and verifiable off-platform is critical to your business. And we're going to follow the pillars of the Salesforce education for equal opportunity. My goal is really simple. It's to make sure that everybody in the Salesforce community is equally educated in the art of possible for a Salesforce backup off-platform. And in today's episode, we're going to be talking about Redshift. But before we get to Redshift, you'll notice this. The AWS logo. I am not in my normal blue button-up shirt and my gray blazer. I just came back from AWS's reInvent conference in Las Vegas. So the question that you may be thinking to yourself is, what was the significance behind reInvent and Capstorm? And it's simple. If you've watched the previous episodes, we've talked a lot about Data Cloud. We've talked a lot about direct connects, like Snowflake's direct connect to Salesforce, or BigQuery's direct connect to Salesforce, and the limitations and the data silos that it creates. So we went to AWS's reInvent to talk about how to get data out of platform, out of the Force.com platform, in a VPC that runs behind the customer's firewall in AWS. The data is now accessible and verifiable. It then replicates to Redshift for advanced analytics. So think about this. With a direct connect from Data Cloud to Snowflake, or Data Cloud to Tableau, or Data Cloud to anywhere, you're only getting a view, a copy of the data model, which means it's rendered useless. You can view the data as if it was in Salesforce, but you can't do anything with the data. When the data's out of the Force.com platform, it's in a VPC, and it replicates to AWS's Redshift platform, and it's a full copy replication. You get the data model, the data, the metadata, the fields, the objects, the custom big objects, the knowledge, the chatter. You get everything in access for Redshift. So things like joining tables is possible with off-platform data, and it's not possible with the direct connect. Transforming schemas, Salesforce schemas, into other applications is only possible with a Salesforce backup off-platform replicated to Redshift. So the limitations of the transformation limitations of the Salesforce APIs are completely eliminated with a backup off-platform and then replicated to Redshift for advanced analytics. So I'll close with this. Just think about this. You have two options. You can go to your local arcade and you can sit in a Formula One machine, a Formula One like race car, and you can drive the Formula One race car in the arcade. That is a direct connect from Data Cloud to any analytics or reporting engine. Option number two is to actually go to Indianapolis, Indiana, to go to the Indianapolis 500, to borrow Lewis Hamilton's race car, the number 2 or number 3 Formula One driver in the world, and drive the Formula One race car around the racetrack. That's what you get. That's the power of the analytics engine for an off-platform backup replicated AWS's Redshift product that you get. So my name is Ted Pappas. I'm the CEO of Capstorm. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you'll come back next Thursday for the next episode of Radical Transparency. Thank you very much.